Hi all, and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday the 28th of September. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with Japanese consumer price index figures on Monday. On Tuesday we should be on the lookout for Eurozone and also US consumer confidence, and also Japanese retail trade and industrial production data. Going forward, Chinese manufacturing PMIs, UK GDP for Q2, Eurozone consumer price index, and also US GDP Q2 figures, in addition to the crude oil inventories, will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, key data releases are Eurozone unemployment rate for August and US jobless claims, and also ISM manufacturing PMI data. The week will finish on Friday with probably the most anticipated and closely watched data release. It is US non-farm payrolls, US unemployments, and average hourly earnings. Now, let's take a look at few markets. This is the Bitcoin in a daily time frame. We can see the Bitcoin is consolidating sideways below this previous rising support trend line, which is now referenced as a resistance. This looks like a loss of support and then retest from underneath just around 11,000, nice and round number, and a pullback lower. So going forward, key trading level is actually its key trading zone around 11,000, 11,180, basically the cluster of these previous lows here as well. Only a push higher from the current levels and an end of day breakout above that level could potentially trigger an extension to the upside and a retest of additional resistances towards 11,600, 12,000, 12,050, 12,200 to the upside. Alternatively, if we see a push higher and a rejection or a gradual move lower and a loss of these current swing lows here, that would open the way for the pullback towards 10,000. Loss of that level would open the way for a deeper corrective pullback towards 9,864, followed by 9,450, which is a cluster of these previous highs, followed by 9,000 cluster of these lows to the downside. This is Dow Jones in end of day time frame. Very similar price action here. We are seeing a corrective pullback, loss of rising support trend line, and now we are retesting the trend line from underneath as a newly found resistance. As long as that level holds as a resistance and we see a gradual move lower or a gradual move from the current lows and a loss of these lows down here towards 27,000, 26,780, that would appear quite bearish, potentially opening the way for a deeper corrective move towards 26,300, possibly even 26,000 to the downside. Alternatively, we see a rally and a breakout above this current swing high and also this previous support trend line, which is now resistance, that could open the way for a spike higher and a return inside of this upward ranging market towards 28,100, followed by 28,680 and 29,100 on the upside.